Morning children. So we finished this lesson, methods of preserving food. Let's write its question answers. First question is, what is the solution? You have to write down the solution of the question. Okay, let's write down. What's the solution? Okay, first one write down. The papads have become soft and moist. Soft and moist. Okay, one, the papads became soft and moist. It's your question. Let's write answer. Why this happens? We have to write down. So write it. Papads which have been soft and moist. Soft and moist should be kept in the sun. Should be kept in the sun for drying. Drying method involves removal of water contained from the foodstuff. Papads when kept in sun for drying. For 2-3 days. for 2-3 days will become crisp again. Will become crisp means crispy again, means crunchy again. So we should have to keep the moist papad in the sun. Okay, so it's a solution. You should know this solution. If you have the papad, moist papad at your home, so you should keep it in the sun and dry it properly and then store it. Okay, so write down this solution. Another question. So second solution I am telling you. So your question is fruits like mangoes, amlas, guavas, and vegetables like peas, onions, tomatoes, fenugreek are needed all year round. Okay, they are available in plenty only in certain seasons. So these are the certain vegetables and certain seasonal fruits are there. So what is the solution? How you can store? So different methods of food preservation are used in order to preserve fruits and vegetables. Okay, so which methods? Mangoes can be preserved by making the squash preparation. आप mangoes को preserve कर सकते हो squash बना के. Then peas can be peeled from pods and preserved by keeping them in a refrigerator for long time. आपको peas होंगी जो मटार हो गया, आप लोग उसको छिलके निकाल के कंटेनर में, एयर टाइट कंटेनर में आप उसको फ्रीजर में प्रिजर्व करके रख सकते हो और आप उसको साल भर यूज कर सकते हो. Okay, then onions can be dried or fried and kept for longer period of time. Onion को आप ड्राई करके रख सकते हो and you can store for longer period of time. उसको धूप में सुखा के रख सकते हो. Tomatoes can be preserved by making tomato puree, squash, or a sauce. Okay, so these methods you use to preserve these seasonal food items or seasonal fruits and vegetables. Okay, then next question is, it's a brain power question. Use your brain power. So question is, semolina. Semolina means सेवई, जो सेवैया बनाते हो आप वो. Don't get spoiled for a long, very long time, but kheer made from them spoil easily. Why is this so? है ना, जो सेवैया होती है वैसे ही वो सेवैया तो हम लोग उसको बहुत दिनों तक चला सकते हैं, अच्छी रहती है, not spoiled very easily. But when you prepare its kheer, सेवई की जब आप खीर बनाते हो, it spoil very easily and quickly. एक दिन तक भी वो अच्छे से नहीं रह सकती. So what is the reason for that? So very simple. When the semolina means सेवैया are made by drying them into the sun. जब सेवैया बनाते तो उसको हम लोग सन में, धूप में अच्छे से सुखा के रखते हैं, dry into the sun for a. Since they are dried in sun, the water content in them is completely lost. Hence, they can be stored for longer time. But on the other hand, A kheer is made from using milk. So the basic ingredient, the main ingredient of kheer is the milk. So milk is highly perishable. Okay, milk product, milk perishable product, hence kheer gets spoiled quickly. Okay, जो milk होता है, हम लोग उसको बहुत देर तक के वो अच्छा नहीं रह सकता, इसीलिए मिल्क हाईली पेरिशेबल प्रोडक्ट, hence kheer gets spoiled very quickly. Okay, then next question, find and correct the wrong statement. So we are writing this answer on the board. Find and correct. Correct the wrong statements. Find and correct the wrong statements. So write down this. When something is boiled, when something is boiled, when something is boiled, the microorganisms in it are destroyed. In it are destroyed. Okay, it is the sentence. So is it wrong or right? The answer is it is a correct statement. Okay, so its answer is, okay, when you boil a milk, so microorganisms destroy in the milk. So it is a correct statement. It's a true. It is a correct statement. Okay. Then B. Our food does not get. Our food does not get spoiled. Get spoiled when microorganisms begin to grow in it. Okay, so this statement is, our food does not get spoiled when microorganisms begin to grow it. So the statement is incorrect. This is an incorrect statement. Due to microorganisms, the food gets spoiled. Okay. So correct statement is, make correction in the statement. Its answer is, it is an incorrect statement. It is an incorrect statement. Okay, so we have to prove it. We have to write the correct statement. The correct statement is, so make correction in the statement. Foodstuffs get cool temperature. Correct statement is, our food gets spoiled when microorganisms begin to grow in it. When microorganisms begin to grow in it. Okay. Begin to grow in it. Then third sentence is, foodstuffs dried. Foodstuffs dried. Foodstuffs dried in summer cannot be used for the rest of the year. Rest of the year. Okay. So this is the statement. So this statement is incorrect. Okay. Because we use the dried, statement is incorrect. Okay, this is the incorrect statement. So its answer is foodstuffs dried in summer can be used for the rest of the year. Rest of the year. Okay. Then next one, D. Food stuff. Food stuff. Get warm. Warm. When put in a fridge. You know, फ्रिज में क्या होता है? वार्म होता है कि कोल्ड होता है? So it is cold. So it is also incorrect statement. So its answer is incorrect statement. This is a incorrect statement. So its correct statement is food stuff get cool. Get cool. Temperature when put in a fridge. Okay, so please note down this. In our next video, we will continue with another question answers. Okay, so bye everyone.